So I've been feeling very tired today. Just been indoor since morning and it's past 4 p.m. I'm out here to meet with a guy called Tcheka. Someone introduced me to him and he's supposed to take me around town, so just waiting for him around here. It's really been fun. I've been doing more of interacting with people here since I got here, so and they've been really interesting people. I heard Togolese very short-tempered people, but that has been completely far from the truth since I got here. They've been super helpful. Like they're even more conversational than the people I met in Benin Republic. And even though we don't understand English, you know, a lot of those gesticulations, yeah, you do, yeah, they still understand somehow, and it's been fun so far. I just want to get to see the beautiful places around here, and yeah. Wow.
6 years, from 2008 to 2014.
Oh.
And after I go to Bordeaux in France.
Oh, I see. Well, I just met with Tcheka now. That's the correct pronunciation of the name is Tcheka, T-C-H-E-K-A. It doesn't also help that he looks like T'Challa. But he's a very cool dude. Has a lot of African art in his house, antiques and all that, you know. We should be going out very soon, hopefully, and maybe have some fun. Yeah, so we just got to the beach opposite the former president's office. So that is the former president's office, and the beach we are is just opposite here. It's a beautiful beach. Typical beach experience, but it was nice. It was very breezy, but I enjoyed it anyway. So we're now at the Old Parliamentary Building. It's no more occupied for government activities, so it is rented out for concerts, art shows, and so many other things now. And then there's a park in front of it where so many young people do very young people things. Really dark now, but we're at the Independence Square. This place is really gorgeous, but it's so dark I can't capture the beauty. I really can't capture it enough, but I just try my best to just point the camera around. Maybe you'll get to see it. Maybe tomorrow morning I can come here to take some pictures and I'll show my Instagram. So if you're following me on Instagram, then you might get to see some of those. But for now, okay, I came back here to show you this place in broad daylight. You're welcome. Okay, that's it, Togo. I must be on my way to Accra now. It's already past 3 p.m. and I'm told the journey will last between 3 to 5 hours, so I'm in for it today. Anyway, thank you so much for having me, Togo. Your people were amazing. Your places are beautiful. Everything here has been nothing but impressive. Thank you so much. Until next time. I just found Akara here. What we call Akara in Nigeria is what they call WhatsApp here. I don't know. I just want to see how it is. So this has been a very big mistake. It's not Akara. Instead of eating Akara separately from bread, it's like you put the Akara around the bread and then you fry it. You fry the bread. This is why I don't do street food anyhow, you know. I just can't. That's how I went to buy food last night. And I saw this woman selling something that looks like fried yam. Looks exactly like fried yam. So I bought it. Took a bite and discovered it was just a lump of flour thrown into hot oil. I had to give it to someone else. Y'all can't get me on the street, man. You can't get me on the street. Come on.